Mine is Rebecca. I live in Cardiff now, but I've lived in England and bits of Wales as well. Decided to go to Clwb Cwtsh because I could take the children primarily. Both of them, little one and the other one was starting Maethrin. I managed to convince my mum, Jenny, to come along with me.
I'm ashamed to say that having lived in West Wales for 10 years, I never really got past counting up to 10 in Welsh. So going to Clwb Cwtsh with the children, it's a perfect way of learning.
We try and practice bits of Welsh that we've learned at home. It's really great for little brains to learn a second language. My children enjoyed the sessions because there was always something for them to do. My eldest daughter particularly enjoyed practicing her Welsh on the start. The things I found helpful about Clwb Cwtsh was that it was free and there was childcare, something for the children to do, someone to look after them a little bit while you're there.
Oh, I'd recommend Clwb Cwtsh to anyone because it's relaxed and friendly and more went in than when I was learning languages at school. Definitely.